Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to approach adjusting your Ford Fiesta clutch. It's important to know that most modern Ford Fiesta models come equipped with a hydraulic clutch system that is designed to be self-adjusting. This means there isn't a manual adjustment point for the clutch pedal or cable, unlike older vehicles. Instead, the system automatically compensates for wear, aiming to maintain consistent pedal feel and engagement throughout its lifespan. Understanding this is your first step. If you're experiencing issues, recognizing the symptoms is key. A common sign is a clutch pedal that feels too high or too low, or a biting point that has changed significantly. You might also notice your clutch slipping, where the engine revs up but the car doesn't accelerate as expected. Another indicator could be difficulty engaging gears or a clutch pedal that feels unusually soft or spongy. These symptoms often point to underlying problems beyond simple adjustment. Several factors can contribute to clutch problems in your Ford Fiesta. The most common cause is simply wear and tear on the clutch components themselves, such as the friction plate or pressure plate, after many thousands of miles. Air trapped within the hydraulic system can also lead to a soft or inconsistent pedal feel. Furthermore, issues with the clutch master cylinder or slave cylinder, which are vital for hydraulic pressure, can severely impact clutch engagement and disengagement. So, what should you do if your Ford Fiesta clutch isn't feeling right? First, check your brake fluid reservoir, as it often shares fluid with the clutch hydraulic system. Low fluid can cause issues. If you suspect air, bleeding the clutch system might restore proper pedal feel. However, for any persistent or severe problems, it's always best to consult a qualified mechanic. They can accurately diagnose the root cause and perform necessary repairs, ensuring your vehicle's safety and performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.